Hey, it's Susie here. Just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to make a face mask from items that you have at home. First of all, you need to gather up a hanky, a fabric remnant, a t-shirt, a bandana, a hanky, a scarf, something. It needs to be 100% cotton. It needs to be tightly woven, as good as you can get, meaning that you don't want to see a whole bunch of daylight through it to filter out a lot more. You can also add a paper towel, toilet paper, one of these masks that you get from the hospital, or a dust mask inside of it, a dried sandy white or a wet white that's dry. And so here, we're going to get this started. So you're going to lay your item out that you've chosen to make your face mask or your face mask cover out of. You can lay your item inside of it before you fold it, and then you're going to take it, and it depends on the size of the item that you have cut out of your t-shirt or the other, but it needs to be big enough that you can at least fold it 3 times. And so this one is big enough where I can fold it 4. So this is why I have chosen to do it this way. And so my item's inside right here. I folded it in half, or met in the middle. Then I'm going to fold it in half again, and then you're going to need some rubber bands, some hair ties of any kind, whatever you have lying around that's elastic and stretchy. And then you're going to take one of your items, because you need to, and slide it on each end of the item that you're using, and then you're going to fold that over, and then fold the other end over, and you can kind of tuck it in the middle. Then here you go. You have now made a little cover for your face to protect yourself. And then don't forget to add some safety goggles or your glasses on top of it. And there you go. Please feel free to share this, and everybody, I hope y'all stay healthy and safe from this coronavirus. Thank you.